Hi guys, I'm Suman, and welcome to my channel, Suman's Creative World. Today, I'm going to introduce you to my curry. See, a few days back, I made this curry, and my family was very happy. So, I decided to introduce you to this curry. And you can make your family happy too. So, let's cook it. Firstly, we need some meat, a potato, 2 tomatoes, an onion, coriander leaves, curry leaves, 4 to 5 chilies, zucchinis, bell pepper, and some cauliflower. We're not gonna need this much, only a small portion of it. Also gonna need some mushrooms. You can take them when they're fresh. Also, we need some oil. Mix and keep for 25 to 30 minutes. Meanwhile, let's cleanse, chop, and keep these other ingredients ready. All the ingredients are ready. Let's start the cooking process. To cover it and keep it on a low heat. Let's wait until the oil oozes. In between, we have to mix it sometimes. Going good! Time to add our tasty, healthy veggies. Mushrooms, some delicious white cauliflower, some nice green zucchinis, some nice bright green and orange bell peppers, cover and cook. Time to add some spices. Mix. After a while of mixing and cooking, let's add the tomatoes that are nice and bright and red. Mix and cap. And wait. Let's add a little water. That's hot. Garam masala, some coriander powder, if you require more salt, taste it and then add it if it's required. Smells magnificent. Now, let's add half of the coriander that we chopped. Mix, also known as agitate. Coriander. I know you like it. Make it into creamy fruits. And it's done. Time to taste. Delicious. Guys, it's very amazing. If you want to make your family and friends happy, you can try this recipe. And please like, share, and subscribe to my channel if you like this video. Thank you, and enjoy!